Hello everyone, my name is Siva Jnana and welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna do a quick introduction to this channel. So my channel, Seductiv Brands, is all about DIY stuff. So I'm gonna be creating a lot of DIY stuff, remaking clothes of my own, and basically doing some trendy outfits and stuff and all that. So I hope you guys gonna subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I am so excited to be launching my ever first video for my DIY. Last night I made the lingerie. This one I made a panty, so I created this panty last night. In my next video I'll be showing you guys how I created this and turned it into like this sexy lingerie. So yeah guys, I hope to see you soon next time. Bye! Mwah.